Welcome back, students. Today we are going to see how to do string programs. So in that we will see count the number of words in a sentence and print the initial of the name. To take the input, let us import the package. We are going to write the program to count the number of words in the sentence. So class throws IO exception. Let us create the variables we need. String variable str to take the sentence from the user. Then to count we need int count. When we need to count, we have to give the initial value as 0, so that counting always starts from 0. Let us create the object for the buffer reader class. Instead of creating object for the input stream reader and then buffer reader object, we can also create in this way. So that is buffer reader br is equal to new buffered reader of new input stream reader of, then system.in. So again we close this. So we can do it in two statement differently, otherwise we can also do using this type of statement. We have given a space here, that should not be there. So let us prompt the user to give the input. Sentence. So we can give print instead of print line. So now assigning the input, str is equal to br dot. You know that each word is separated by the space. So after a word there will be a space. If we count the space, then this word is being counted. Same like that, we will keep on counting the number of space, but at last when we see, there won't be a space given by the user. So at that time what we do, we add one more space after getting the input from the user. But by mistake, user also gives the space after the full stop. Then what we can do, we can trim it using trim function, so that the extra spaces before and after the sentence will get trimmed. So let us give here dot trim off. Now what we do, str is equal to str plus one space we add. Now we go to the condition inside the for loop. We will create the for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is lesser than str dot length of I plus plus. So if character at, that is str dot character at I is equal to, so character type should be given inside the single quotation. So we check for one single space. Then what we do, we increase the count plus plus, we increase by 1. So until the last index it will keep on doing. After it becomes false, it will come out of the for loop. So we will print the number of count here. Plus count. In case if we give this inside this for loop, then it will print every time it counts. We don't need that. Let us compile this. No syntax error. Java is very interesting. So we have 4 words here. So number of words in a sentence 4. Let us create another class, initials. I will copy the codes from the previous one. So this is program to print the initials of the given name. So here I change the class name. We are not going to count anything here, so let me delete this and then enter a name with first, middle and last name. So we don't need to trim here. So here we want to print the first character of every name given. So first character means we can count the space. After that the next character we can take. But when the user gives the input, there will not be space in the beginning. What we do here is going to add the space before the string. So let us delete this and then I am going to add here. Now the character after the space we are going to extract and then take it as a new word. So for the new word I give a new variable, string variable str1. So initially it should be without any value. So now I give the for loop. I is lesser than str dot length of, then I plus plus. So I am going to give the condition if str dot character at I is equal to I am checking for space. So one single quote and then one space I have given. So if it is so, then I am going to add to the next letter to the string 1. str1 is equal to str dot character at I plus 1. So I is space, the plus 1 is the next character. So it will extract the next character here. This is added with the new string str1 plus. Now let us print the new string. Initials of given name, you can say of given name plus str1. So let us close the method and close the class. Compile this, no syntax error. So I give Vamshi Krishna Gupta CVKG it has come. We have not given any extra character there, so we can assign here a full stop there. So we can add with this plus a dot, otherwise one space. So compile this, right? Computer aided designing. So you can see CAD. Students, I hope you learned how to do these two programs. Let us do more programs in coming video tutorials. Until then, thank you and bye.